to change currency on Steam. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to change your currency on your Steam account. So first of all, just come to the store.steampower.com and you will be landed to the official website of Steam, and over here just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you have logged in into your Steam account, just simply click on the profile section from the top of the screen. Just go to the drop down menu and over here just simply select account details. Just simply tap on it. And now in order to change your currency in the Steam account, you need to first change your country itself. So in order to update your country or in the Steam account, you have to click on update store country. So if you have moved to a different country and you won't be able to update your Steam wallet, now you have to view the Steam store for that and you need to update it. So it says that so if you are unable to complete a purchase using a payment method from a region you have moved to, so you have to contact to the Steam support. So just simply come to this page and over here just simply scroll down and click on contact Steam support, and now just select the country you have moved to. So for example, I'm selecting United States over here, and now you have to simply type in the message over here to the Steam customer support that you want to change your currency to US dollar, and because you have moved there. And as soon as you contact the customer support in the Steam customer support will reach out to you and help you regarding changing your current location or region in the Steam account. And then as soon as your Steam account location or country will change, your currency for the same region will also be updated alongside. So this is basically how you will be able to change currency on Steam. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.